In Nepal, the habitat of red panda is fragmented into 400 small forest patches, mainly due to the conversion of forest into farmland, unsustainable grazing practices, resource extraction, and infrastructure development. In response to this issue, the Red Panda Network has initiated Plant a Red Panda Home campaign. And the campaign involves reforesting core red panda habitat and fragmented forests through land purchase and tree planting, creating a wildlife corridor to support a viable red panda population. The purchased land is handed to the government of Nepal for management of the forest area by the public as a community forest. 7 community managed forest conservation nurseries have been established, producing 200,000 seedlings annually. The Red Panda Network has purchased 31 hectares of private land for reforestation and created more than 50 wildlife waterholes. Plant a Red Panda Home campaign is the Red Panda Network's commitment to support the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030.